Begin by laying out the pieces as shown. First, add the short screw posts. For this video, we will be putting the shelving on the left side of the unit, so the final screw post will go in the left hole. Then add the tall screw posts, followed by the short cams, followed by the tall cams. Last, add the dowels, and then follow assembly as shown in the video. Stand the unit upright and add the brackets and dividers. Then secure the angle bracket to the top shelf and insert into place, followed by the final side piece. Secure the angle bracket to the back, add the shelf pegs, insert the shelves, and assembly is complete.